Today's weather forecast is sponsored by Fluff Cupcakes, located in Benton, Kentucky. You can find them on Facebook under Fluff Cupcakes. Affordable and delectable gourmet cupcakes for any and all occasions. Be sure and order your cupcakes for Valentine's Day. Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Beau Dodson. It is February 6, 2017. Moisture is on the increase. Let's take a look at dew points. Remember, dew points is a measure of moisture in the lower atmosphere. For severe weather or strong storms, I typically look for the 58 degree to 60 degree and above dew point, and that's what these green colors represent. You see all the dry air to our north, but as an area of low pressure develops over parts of the central U.S. and moves into the Great Lakes region, we will have moisture pulled northward. Now we'll turn on the isobars, equal lines of pressure. Here's that system developing, and these lines are going to tighten up over the next 24 hours. Strong and gusty winds tonight for your Monday night into Tuesday morning. Wind gusts, gradient wind gusts, above 40 miles an hour is a pretty good bet. Now, gradient winds are where pressure is rising and falling rapidly, and we'll see these lines tighten up over the coming hours, and that will produce gusty winds. Also, remember, area low pressure rotates counterclockwise, so you're pulling up moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. We'll just zoom out here, and you see all this moisture. These are dew points in the 58 to 60 degree and above, pulling northward, and those will rapidly move in our area tonight and tomorrow, and that sets the stage for the possibility of some strong, maybe even severe thunderstorms. Hail being the main concern for tonight. Let's look at a couple more graphics. Here's the day one severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. We see three colors here. This light green, that's where non-severe thunderstorms are anticipated. This dark green, starting to get into the marginal risk. That means a couple of thunderstorms might become severe. Then we have this yellow area. This is the greatest risk zone. Now, this is considered a slight risk, their terminology. What that means is that severe thunderstorms are likely to occur, but scattered in nature. In other words, not widespread severe weather. Now, the main concern will be tonight, late tonight into tomorrow morning. Now, the main concern will be hail, and that will be tonight into Tuesday morning. CAPE values, CAPE is a measure of energy, elevated tonight as we have an inversion over the area. That just means warm air aloft above some cooler air. That inversion will keep the thunderstorms from tapping into the lower wind fields. Normally, that means lightning, some heavy downpours, and hail will be the end result. So we could have some severe thunderstorm warnings tonight into tomorrow morning, maybe a severe weather watch, severe thunderstorm watch later tonight into tomorrow morning. Keep an eye on it. Tornado risk is low tonight. It's not a zero risk, but it's low. Tuesday we'll have surface-based CAPE, and that's when we might tap into some of the lower wind fields. Could have an isolated tornado on Tuesday in severe weather as well. Let's just go ahead and switch over to the day two severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. Now you see that slight risk zone has shifted to the east. Western counties removed from it. Now most of this will be tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow night the cold front moves through and ends our rain chances, but we may still have thunderstorms in the area late tomorrow afternoon and evening, especially parts of Kentucky, Tennessee, maybe Indiana. So we'll keep an eye on this over the next 24 hours. We could have some strong storms, downpours, lightning, some quarter-size hail or larger, and then a lower risk for damaging winds and tornadoes tonight, and a risk for hail, damaging winds, and isolated tornadoes on Tuesday. Don't forget to sign up for the text messages at BeauDotsonWeather.com. Also, we now have an app for Apple users. We're working on the Android version. Go to your Apple store and just type in Weather Talk or Beau Dotson Weather, and you should see this icon. Now, this is for subscribers. You will receive your text messages in 1 second or less on the Weather Talk app. We've noticed over the months that AT&T and Verizon are not always reliable. I've been testing the app on 3 devices, and it's about as soon as I hit enter on my keyboard, the message is received by the app.